Hey Guardians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. We committed that in this video tutorial we will cover this command box. Actually it says that you can give these formatting to the cells. You can give general formatting, number formatting, currency formatting, accounting formatting, date formatting, time formatting, percentage formatting, fraction, scientific, text, special and custom. We will cover most of them as the few of them are not very significant. Let's start with general formatting. By default, general formatting is already selected. So whatever you can write will appear here. If you write 0, it will appear here. If you write 0001, then it will appear 1. So general formatting means whatever you will write, it will appear in the same way. Let's go to the currency formatting. There will be situations in which we will need the currency symbol with the cell value. So selecting this area, selecting currency format. Also you can manage some settings by clicking on this arrow. By default, $sign is selected, so we will continue with this. You can reduce the number of decimals. Let's reduce it to 1. OK. So currency formatting is selected for this area. So whatever you will write in this area will come with a $sign and a single digit decimal. Writing 18, 15, 26, 3, 45, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1. And you can do addition, subtraction, whatever you want even with this $sign. Equal to sign, this, minus this, enter. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. Moving towards the accounting formatting. This is my favorite. Click this arrow sign. Select accounting. Now we don't need any symbol with the cell value. And we don't want any decimal value. Start writing the numbers. 85, 45, 63, 21, 58. First thing that we have observed in accounting formatting is that the numbers are adjacent to the right side of the cells. And the second thing is, if you write 0, then it will appear as in dash, which maintains the beauty of the data. Remember, in the general formatting, when we write 0, it appears as in 0. But in accounting, it appears as dash. And you still are able to do the calculations. Equal to this plus this. Moving to the date formatting. Select these two columns. Click on this arrow. Select date. For understanding, selecting this date formatting. Now writing 3, 4. This date means 4th of March 2022 and writing 2nd of March 2022. Remember, we have selected the date formatting just for these two columns, and for this column it is the general formatting. So with this collaboration we are still able to do some calculations. For example, equal to this minus this, enter. So this cell's formatting was general and we still are able to do some calculations with the dates. Date formatting is helpful in scenarios where we need to give the dates and further number of days to perform any task. For understanding, just imagine a task was started on 2nd of March and was completed on 4th of March. So this is clearly showing that this task took 2 days for completion. Moving towards the time formatting. For understanding, selecting the time formatting just for these two columns. Click this arrow. Click time. And I'm selecting this format, writing 4:30 p.m. 2 a.m. writing 1:30 p.m. here and 1 a.m. In order to do the calculations with the time formatting, selecting a different time formatting for this column, which is select this arrow again, select time and select this second formatting. Now equal to this minus this, and we have got 3 hours. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. we selected a different time formatting for these two columns and a different time formatting for this column. That made us able to do the calculations. Time formatting is helpful in calculating the project hours. For example, a project was started at 1:30 p.m. and was completed at 4:30 p.m. So this cell is showing that it took 3 hours to complete the project. Similarly, 1 hour for this one. Moving towards the percentage formatting. Writing random numbers in this column: 50, 65, 98, 74, 21. For this column, select the percentage formatting. Click this arrow, select percentage, press OK. Simply writing 25, 20, 45, 10 and 15. This 25 is not just 25 but 25%, which means it is 25 by 100. We know that 25% of 50 is 12.5. So let's see if we get the correct answer by multiplying these two terms. Equal to this into this, and this is correct. Dragging the cell will copy the formula. Moving towards the fraction formatting. Select this area, press this arrow, select fraction. Currently selecting this second formatting. Writing 21 by 25. Writing here 19 by 25. We still are able to do the basic calculations. Equal to this minus this, and it should be 2 by 25. This is correct. Fraction formatting is used in dimensions and measurements, etc. Finally, moving towards the text formatting. We remember in the general formatting, when we wrote 0001, it gave us the answer 1. There will be situations in which we have to write 0001, 0002 as a job ID or house number, etc. In those scenarios, selecting the text formatting will help out. Selecting text. Okay. Now writing 0001, 0002, 0003, etc. In this video, we have tried to cover different advanced formatting cells options. In the next video tutorial, we will cover the very interesting VLOOKUP function. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.